Get it together, Apple, for real, for real. What the are you doing? Yo, Apple, what the like, for real, wait. Hold on 1 second. Hey, I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with you. I tried to stay away from this topic. I tried to leave the whole Apple train alone. You know what I'm saying? They went through some issues on the business side. I'm like, okay, it's a rough patch. Let's see how they respond and so forth. And then we get this. We get these leaks for this upcoming year's iPhone. And number one, why are all of these phones putting on so many cameras? Like, for real. Google proved you only need one and two in front, so that's total 3, but like, you get what I'm saying. Why do we need all of these cameras? I don't want another camera, man. Like, what is going on? Like, seriously, what do you? Okay, Apple, look, I'm gonna keep it 1,000, you guys. Like, I'm seriously questioning, is the innovation gone? The design that Apple has been rocking with for so long, I don't get me wrong, I like it, it's clean, it's sleek, but how much longer can they just keep trying to add to this get down? Now I get it. It's only so far you can go with smartphones with the way they are, with the all glass and so forth. Turning this into a square, making the hugest camera bump in history is not the way to do it, Apple. Like, my. And here's another thing, smartphones are overpriced. Apple, I hope you learned your lesson. This low sales of iPhones is strictly because of pricing. You guys are crazy. If you wanna opt for the consumer to buy in every year, you gotta get your pricing lower. Like, it doesn't make any sense. How's it gonna keep going up? You want me to spend more and more every year as a consumer or any other consumers? It's not going to work. Same thing with Samsung and all the other companies. You guys are seeing crazy decreases in projections and sales of smartphones. The price is too high. It's that simple. Fix it. And I highly doubt that it has to be as high as it is. I think you guys are just kind of pushing it, trying to see where it goes. You guys have hit the plateau. It's time to come down. Me, I'm heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem. I definitely want to see Apple grow, improve. I want to see them have success so that we can get better products out of them. I want to see Google have success as well. Definitely want to see Samsung have success as well, especially with the Note. I want to see the Note come back and smash it. You guys got to get the price points right. Apple, for real, for real. Innovation, please. Get your innovation together. I don't know, man. There's some young cats up in Silicon. I don't know who you got to go get, man. Man, hey, you ever seen How High when they got the dude Ashes and was trying to... All right, I went too far. But look, come on, man. Get it together, Apple, for real, for real. What the are you doing? That's not gonna do it, yo. You gotta change it. You gotta do something new. And that's not gonna help you, man. I literally was trying to be quiet about the whole little issue with the low iPhone sales. I've been supporting Apple, supporting tech in general, but I've been on the side of Apple, and you know what? I'm done with this. I got nothing else to say. Fix it.